Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your VIVO V23. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So you need to remember that never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself, and I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So to get it out, you just have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand, then gently insert the one part of the brush in your charging port and gently try to pry out the dirt. So cool, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.